Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a mid-fade haircut. A mid-fade is a popular men's haircut that features a gradual fade from short hair at the sides and back to longer hair on top. It's a stylish and versatile haircut that can be worn in many different ways. So, let's get started. Step 1. Create the baseline. Next, you'll need to create the baseline for the mid-fade. Use your clippers to create a straight line around the head at the desired height. This will be the starting point for your fade. Step 2. Now it's time to start the fade. Begin by using a longer guard on your clippers and work your way up from the baseline towards the top of the head. Use a short, flicking motion to blend the hair and create a gradual fade. Make sure to blend the hair evenly on both sides of the head. Step 3. Blend the sides and back. Once you've created the fade, it's time to blend the sides and back. Use a shorter guard on your clippers and blend the hair from the fade into the longer hair on top. Make sure to blend the hair gradually and evenly, using a gentle, flicking motion. Step 4. Detail the haircut. Now that you've created the mid-fade, it's time to detail the haircut. Use scissors or clippers to trim any stray hairs and create a clean, polished look. You can also use a razor to add texture to the hair and create a more natural look.
Step 5. Style the hair. Finally, it's time to style the hair. Apply a small amount of styling product to the hair and use your fingers or a comb to create the desired look. A mid-fade can be styled in many different ways, from a slicked back look to a messy, textured style.
Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. That's how you do a mid-fade haircut. It's a stylish and versatile haircut that's perfect for men of all ages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.